I can't believe I made this tteokbokki without gochujang. This is delicious. You guys should try too. The sauce is not gochujang, but it has a flavor profile like type of gochujang. So what you have to do is take some like hot water, and in the hot water put your chilies and let them rest for like 10 to 15 minutes. Add some garlic too. Grab a blender, add the garlic, the chilies, some chili water, sugar, blend. This is your sauce. First what you do, you add your sauce. When it starts thickening like that, add your rice cakes. Once you have added all of your rice cakes, just wait for it to thicken. This is perfect at the moment, but to rose it, you will need some heavy cream. So just add some cream and cheese. When it looks like this, it's ready. Garnish it with spring onion and sesame seeds. You're done. Bye.